What you're looking at here is an 8 by 8 inches or 20 by 20 centimeter tiles here at Solera Ceramics, and at the price of 5 pesos and 80 cents. 5 pesos and 80 cents, and this is the size of the tile. 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So you can see they got a lot of these tiles because I had still a few requests claiming that they still need more cheap tiles because some of the places that I have featured already closed, especially the one when it was raining and I have to go back. They're already been closed, and this is the new place that I found to get your cheap tiles here in Solera Ceramics and General Merchandise. So you can see the design, 8 by 8 or 20 by 20. So another design that they do, the original price for these tiles is 13 pesos. Now they also offer you 0% interest if you have a credit card via Metrobank or PS Bank for 6 months. So you can purchase your tiles at 0 interest using your credit card from Metrobank and PS Bank. Again, this is 8 by 8 at 5 pesos and 80 cents. So all are my OFW brothers out there, you have to go here in Solera Ceramics in Yati Liluan Road. Ma'am, how about magpakuan sila Ma'am Michelle ba magpa-deliver?
May deliver pa yun, pero like ka ng charge to deliver.
So they deliver anywhere in Cebu.
Yes, ma'am.
How about magpa-deliver sila outside Cebu?
Outside Cebu.
Shipping na gud. Wa pa mo kasang i-ship na gud.
Ay, naka-purchase sa modern mom outside Cebu, pero sila na yung nagkuhan.
So if you are purchasing these tiles, you are located outside Cebu City, in which you have to actually ship it. They will just prepare the tiles, and you will be the one selecting what mode of shipping or what boat you are shipping the tiles with. But they will only send your items that you purchase, that what you see here, to the pier of your choice or the location of your destination. So they will just prepare and send it to the port. So this is still 20 by 20 tiles. So this is the place you have to look for, Solera Ceramics and General Merchandise. They are located in Yati Liluan Road. And these are the other choices that you have. For tile wise, this is only 8 pesos and 50 cents. Oh, it's already lowered to 5 pesos and 80 cents. These are the 8 by 8 or the 20 by 20 centimeters. So it's like that. So these are the cheapest tile I have seen so far this year, 20 by 20. See, you can see the different design. These are ceramic tiles, of course. And this, kani ma'am, Michelle mo, gyapon ma'am? So you can see they got different design at a very cheap price. Linindot yung design uban ma'am, no? So that's the cheapest. And I will show you also the different other ones.